Let us look at next question. Each of the six friends P, Q, R, S, T and U practices dance on exactly one day of a week from Monday to Saturday. Each student practices dance for a different number of hours in a day up to a maximum of 10 hours. It is also known that P does practice on Tuesday and S does practice on Thursday. So it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay. P does practice on Tuesday, so it would be P, and S on Thursday, so S would be here. Okay. The number of hours for which R does practice is more than that for which T does practice. So R greater than T. And the number of hours for which Q does practice is less than that for which U does practice. So Q less than U. Okay. The number of practice hours on alternate days starting from Tuesday are multiples of 3 in descending order. So possible multiples in this question would be 9, 6 and 3, because in the question it is given that they practice for an hour that is less than 10. So 9, 6 and 3 would be the possible multiples of 3. So on Tuesday a student would practice for 9 hours, and on Wednesday for 6 hours, and on Saturday for 3 hours. Okay. The number of practice hours on Monday, Wednesday and Friday are 3 prime numbers in descending order. The prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7, but a student practice for 3 hours on Saturday, so 3 would be not possible. So 2, 5 and 7, it means a student would practice for 2 hours on Monday, for 5 hours on Wednesday and for 7 hours on Friday. Okay, R and Q do their practice on 2 consecutive days. So R and Q would be here, and T and U would be here on Monday or Wednesday. Okay. Now R is greater than T and Q is less than U. If Q is 7, so 7 cannot be less than 2 or 5, because it is very sure that U would practice for 2 hours or 5 hours. So Q cannot be 7, so Q would be 3. Q would practice for 3 hours and R would practice for 7 hours. Okay. Now R is greater than T. And Q practices for 3 hours. So U would practice for 5 hours, because U practice more hours than Q. So U would practice for 5 hours and T would practice for 2 hours. Okay. Now come on the questions. Which of the following is a correct combination of day, person, number of hours for which practice is done? Okay. The first option, Tuesday T 2 hours, Tuesday P 9 hours, no. Second option, Saturday Q 7 hours, Saturday Q 3 hours, no. Monday T 5 hours, Monday T 2 hours, it's also not true. Tuesday P 9 hours, Tuesday P and practice for 9 hours, so option D is correct. Next question, find the duration for which U does practice. From here we can see that U does practice for 5 hours. So option D is our answer. Next question, who does practice on Saturday? We can see that on Saturday Q does practice. So option B would be our answer for this question. And the last question for this caselet, find the absolute difference between the durations for which T and U do their practice. T practice for 2 hours and U practice for 5 hours. So the difference between T and U would be for 3 hours. So answer option C would be our answer.